everyone, I'm going to show you how to prepare Jose and Dora Hernandez tax return. When you log in into Tax Layer, you go to the Practice Lab homepage and go to the Practice Lab, go to the Practice area and start new 2019 tax return. This is a two-part video. The first part is basic information. I'm going to show you the basic information entry. You enter the Social Security number here, 412, and then four one two 8765. Start the new return. Jose and Dora filing Mary filing John. So we click the Mary filing John. Hit continue. Jose is the primary taxpayer. We type in Jose in here. Hernandez for the last name. And the Social Security number is auto-populated. His birthday is April 23rd, 1968. Occupation is a manager. None of these questions apply, so we do not need to check this. His spouse is Dora Hernandez. Auto-populated. Social is 412 34 5671. Date of birth July 12, 1973. Occupation receptionist. And none of this question apply to her case, so we do not need to check this. The address is 32010, Lex 3. Zip code is 30294, Georgia. Daytime phone number, we just create one. Once we create the daytime phone number, we complete this page. We hit continue. We do not need to prepare Georgia tax return, so we click no. All we need to prepare is federal income tax return, Form 1040, and then we click continue. Jose and Dora Hernandez has dependent, so we click yes. Their dependent name is Adela Hernandez, auto-populated. Date of birth, March 15, 2013. Her social, 412 34 5672. Check the box if the dependent does not have a Social Security. She does have a Social Security, so we do not need to check this box. Was this person a US citizen? Yes, this person is a US citizen. Relationship, she is the daughter of Jose and Dora Hernandez. So we need to find the daughter and click the daughter. Under the month, she lived 12 months with the parents. We need to answer this question because if we do not answer this question, the child tax credit would not apply. All this does not apply to her, so we do not need to check it. Then we hit continue again. And we finish the dependent section. We hit continue. We finished the basic information. I'll see you on income section. Thank you for watching.